Hi, in this video we're going to do an interesting problem. The question is to find an expression for the function whose graph is the line segment joining -2, 1 and 4, -6. Let's go ahead and work through it. So we're looking for an expression for the function whose graph is this line segment. Let's start by finding the equation of a line connecting 2 points. To do that, we could find the slope. Recall that the slope is given by m, which is equal to the difference in the y values divided by the difference in the x values. So we should just label things here. Let's call this x1, y1, and let's call this one x2, y2. So when we do that, y2 is going to be -6, minus, and then y1 is 1, over, and then x2 is 4, minus, and then x1 is -2. This is equal to, so -6 minus 1 is -7. And this is 4 plus 2, which is 6, right? It becomes a plus. So that's our slope, m equals -7/6. So now we can find the equation of the line. Let's use the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And let's go ahead and use these numbers here as our x1 and our y1, since we already have them labeled. So y minus 1 is equal to m, which is -7/6. And then here we have x minus -2, so it'll be x plus 2. All right, now we can distribute the -7/6. -7/6 times x is simply that. -7/6 times 2 over 1, right, that's really what's happening, is going to be -7/3, right? Because the 2 will cancel into the 6, right? It'll go in there 3 times. Now we just add 1 to both sides. So we got y equals -7/6 x minus 7/3 plus 1. To combine these fractions, what we're going to do is we're going to think of 1 as a number over 3. It's really 3 over 3. So y equals -7/6x. 3 over 3 plus -7 over 3 is -4 over 3. So that's the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points, right? We want an expression for the function whose graph is the line segment. So we need to be very specific here. So it's not the entire line, it's just a line segment. So x here is between these points, right? X varies between -2 and 4. So in all of this, x is between -2 and 4. So the answer does actually include this condition because the question specifically says line segment, right? It doesn't say line, so a subtle point there. But that is the correct answer, and hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Good luck.